Imagine this. You're sitting down to your favorite movie when some ding-dong rings the doorbell.
Who rang that bell?
But you don't have to get upset about it. In fact, you don't have to get up at all. There's a way to answer the door without getting out of your seat.
Well, bust my buttons!
Video doorbells work like traditional doorbells, but instead of a chime, you answer it with your phone. They live stream to a companion app so you can see what's going on at home anytime. In fact, you don't even have to be home to talk to your visitors. If you order a lot of packages, have frequent visitors like the dog walker, or just don't like answering the doorbell for strangers, a video doorbell can be a real game changer. Find our top picks on Safewise's Best Video Doorbells page. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Standard video doorbells start anywhere from $100 to $300. Popular brands like Ring start around $100, but there are some brands even cheaper than that. A couple of those features include video recording and storage. Video doorbells don't typically keep a record of past events, so you might not have an actual recording of when that package was delivered. Companies like Ring, Nest, and Arlo offer cloud storage for a monthly fee. You can access past footage and save recordings of things that your doorbell has captured. These services can range anywhere from $3 to $30 a month. But these subscriptions come with perks like time lapses and facial recognition that makes your notifications a little more accurate. A few bucks a month adds up over time, but having past footage can come in handy if you want to track a stolen package, see who came by that afternoon, or even catch a few funny moments on camera. But if having a monthly bill for your doorbell doesn't seem appealing, try one with local storage like the Eufy doorbell. Cameras like this one have an SD card that saves the new stuff and gets rid of the old, depending on how much memory it has. Installing a video doorbell isn't rocket science, it's doorbell science. And you don't even have to be a doorbell scientist to do it. Just about every video doorbell has a companion app with instructions built in. The trick is finding a doorbell that is compatible with your existing setup. If you do have a doorbell, take a look at the voltage type on your current setup. Most doorbells require 8 to 24 volts, so unless you have a nuclear-powered doorbell, yours probably will too. Just choose the doorbell you want, and the doorbell app will walk you through the installation. The actual installation is easy as matching the wires to your existing setup or plugging in the battery. After all, you're the doorbell scientist.
It's alive!
Most doorbell cameras stream in HD, so the quality would be about the same as a YouTube video. Details are important, but there's no need to see every pore on someone's face. I'd recommend about a 1080p camera to keep the price down but the quality up. And video quality isn't just important during the day. If you live in a dark or rural area, you'll want a doorbell camera with night vision too. Video doorbells connect to your home Wi-Fi, so make sure your router is within range. If you have other smart home devices, they can be pretty neighborly with your doorbell camera. You can program smart speakers like your Google Home or Amazon Echo to announce when someone's at the door. Smart speakers with screens like the Amazon Echo Show can actually show the live feed from the doorbell camera on their screen. So you can see what's going on at the front door from your kitchen, living room, nursery, or anywhere in your house. With the right automations, ringing the doorbell can unlock or lock the doors. You can also program motion sensors and lights leading up to your front door to make your home a little more welcome for guests. It really just depends on what devices you have in your home and how creative you want to get. Whether you rent or own, have a house or a condo, there's a doorbell camera out there for you. We rank our favorites based on price, installation options, video quality, and smart home compatibility. You can find the link to our best video doorbell cameras below. And like and subscribe for more videos like this on Safewise. Stay safe.